Okay. A little bit of a move up from Bitcoin today, along with the rest of the crypto market. One of our coins, ApeCoin, even hitting 7.5%. However, we are still of the opinion that this move down is not over. Even if we test somewhere around $81,000, we are still expecting moves down. In the portfolio that we hold, the $1.7 million portfolio that we show in our future forecasts, we are preparing for both scenarios. Is your portfolio ready for both truths? The potential of both a major move up, and you need to be ready for the fact that we have not nearly moved down towards a major structure support where we typically see cycle bottoms. If your portfolio is not prepared for both, you need to watch the most recent future forecast update, and we're going to cover exactly what this looks like and how we are preparing our portfolio. Future forecast videos are available to our members, and if you're not a member yet, you can sign up at the links in the description down below. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Now, this is going to be a quick crash course on how you can manage your risk in order to profit in both directions. But again, if you want that full detail, you need to watch the future forecast. On Bitcoin, we actively have some amount of money in the market right around this area. It's not just Bitcoin. We entered in some of our altcoins too recently with a $100,000 altcoin buy. That way, we're making money if the price continues upwards. At the same time, if the price ends up dropping, we have multiple buy limits set up in a descending fashion. So as the price drops and the further it drops, the more we are able to enter and the better prices we are able to enter at. On top of that, in Bitcoin, we've also entered SBIT. When Bitcoin drops, SBIT right here actually increases. It is inversely correlated and it's 2 times leveraged. So as the price drops on Bitcoin, SBIT increases and we make even more profit that way. That is how we are managing both directions of risk management. If you want specifics, exactly how much we're allocating, where we're making our entries and all that, future forecast. As the price eventually ends up dropping, whether we hit structure support or the price actually crashes below to complete the bear flag pattern, we want to see fear and max fear along with a green dot to find our entries. Historically, this creates huge moves up. And in fact, the last times it happened where we got a large period of fear and max fear, and in those areas saw green dots, this called the exact bottom. Right here, the bottom of the bear market was called while we were in fear with green dots, and this is the 2022 bear market. Take a look at 2018, 2019, another long period of fear and max fear. While we sat in fear, we got a green dot, and this called the absolute bottom of the bear market again before massive moves to the upside. You need to be ready, and missing out on these signals could mean missing out on hundreds or even thousands of dollars in profit. Every percentage matters, and because of that, we want to make sure we have alerts set so we don't miss it. Let me clear out yesterday's tutorial alerts, and we're going to create some more. Click Create Alert. Market cycle highs and lows, fear, once per bar close, click create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows again, max fear, once per bar close, and click create. Last alert, Pro Trade Manager, long entry short take profit, once per bar close, click create. Fear and max fear are going to help you find fear and max fear on your chart. And if your trading device sends those signals, watch closely, listen closely, and pay attention, because as soon as you get both a fear or max fear with a long entry short take profit at the same time, that could very well be the bottom of the bear market. Our traders and us at Trade Confident are making insane amounts of money with these indicators. And if you want to do the same on top of money making benefits like the future forecast videos and the Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts that we actually had yesterday, recordings available now if you haven't seen it, our members get access to the indicators for a massive discount. All you need to do is head into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign up page where we are giving you 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the AI Indicators tab. Pro Trade Manager is what you're looking for, and you're going to reveal your member coupon code here. Just click that link, write it down, check out on Gumroad. I want this. Market cycle highs and lows, click that and add it to cart. Throw in your membership code. It's going to be $150 off each, $300 off total. Fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that brand new future forecast update. Don't miss out.